Hey everyone, it's Kevin here with Reviews About Anything, and today we have the Philips SPH9500s or SPH9500s. Like I said, they're also known as the SPH9500s in the audiophile community. I thought I'd unbox it for you guys today and give you a quick impression. I did receive these as a gift from a very good friend. So it was for Christmas. He told me to open it a bit early, and thought I would do a video for you guys so you can see what's in the box and get my impressions about the feel and fit and finish of the headphones. So as you can tell on the front, they're saying hi-fi stereo, open back architecture, and then also it has a 9.8 foot or 3 meter cable inside. There's also Spanish on the box, looks like. On the side, it's claiming 12 to 35,000 hertz, 101 decibels for the sensitivity, 32 ohms, 200 milliwatts for the input, and then a 50 millimeter driver. Here on the back, we just have more about it. So open back, 50 millimeter driver, superior fit. It says over-ear breathable cushion. And on the other side, we have home music, 50 millimeter driver again, high performance sound, and adjustable fit. So yeah, that's it overall. And then here on the top, it has a bit more information. So it says in the box is the headphones, detachable cable, and a 3.5 to 6.3 millimeter adapter, or 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch adapter. Let's get these open. So headphones come in a printed box, and then inside is a just black cardboard box. So here are the headphones. They're coming, it's some type of cloth-esque bag for shipping protection, it looks like. And then we have our 3 meter or 9.8 foot cable here. And of course, something to keep them dry from humidity. And all of the packing materials are pretty much cardboard, which is nice for recycling. Pretty sturdy, seems to probably pretty good impact protection. And then this is some type of cloth-esque bag here. I doubt this is actually meant for carrying around the headphones. Looks like it's just a bag to keep them safe during transportation from nicks and scratches. So there we are. Put the headphones right there for a second. So here is the cable. Take this twist tie off. It is very kinky and ready to come apart. The one end here, which looks like is meant to go into your device, has what feels like a aluminum piece over the end and a gold-plated 1/8 inch or 3.5 millimeter jack. Then coming to the other end, we have our 3.5 to 6.3 millimeter adapter, or 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch adapter here, which is also gold-plated. And the part that goes into your headphones is a 3.5 millimeter gold-plated or 1/4 inch plated, gold-plated end here. Which is nice that it's this. The headphones, when we look here on the side, it's pretty much a flat entrance right here. So you will have some limitations on the thickness, it looks like here, of your cable, at least at the end. But as long as you don't go much thicker than the stock one, which is pretty thick, you'll be fine. You can put whatever cable you want on this, as long as it's 3.5 millimeter. So the cable is quite springy. It's a very rubbery texture. I'll let it lay out for a bit and see if that improves. I'll talk about that in the review. So here are the headphones themselves, very big pads. These are huge pads. I have quite a big hand, and I can fit essentially my whole fist inside of that right there. So it claims 50mm drivers, obviously, and this is a mesh back. It has your L and your R on each side. Neodymium venom drivers, open acoustic architecture. It does have a fabric padded headband. Just feels like a regular foam, not memory foam, but it's nice and bouncy. And then on the sides it's fabric as well. And this does feel like a pseudo memory foam. It has a little bit of, comes back a little slow, but bounces back pretty quickly. Not that it's a big deal. It is nice and mesh or fabric-esque, so nice and breathable. And I haven't taken these off. I'll do that maybe later. There is a little bit of articulation in the cups this way to adjust to your head, and then up and down there's a little bit as well. The extension for your head is plastic on the inside and metal on the outside. And one thing that's nice is there's actually numbers here on the band, so you know exactly where you were, and little marks or ticks in between so you can get the exact fit. Very nice and clicky going in between each step. So that feels nice. Let's try to hold these. Besides the things moving, I don't hear really any, oh, there's a piece of tape there. Guess to keep it from rubbing. Is it on both sides? Yeah. Not sure if that's for shipping or just to keep it from rubbing. Let's see how easy it comes off. There's a piece of tape right there. Takes a little bit to come off there, but my guess is that's for during shipping to make sure these cups don't scratch the plastic here from one piece to the other. I heard something squeaking. I'm going to see if it was that. It was on this left cup right here. Thought I heard a squeak. This is quite annoying to, should have a bigger pull tab or something. There we go. So let's see if that squeaks now. No squeak at all. I think it was just hitting the edges of this plastic or this tape a little bit. So overall, they feel really nice. They feel sturdy. I don't really hear many creaks or cracking. These are new, so we will see. I'm gonna let them play some pink noise for a little bit to break them in, and then I'll try them out and I'll get back to you guys with the initial review. So if you guys have any questions or want me to compare these to any of my other headphones, please let me know in the comment section down below. Like, subscribe, it really helps out, and share with your friends. Thanks you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.